All right, it's Tuesday, January 10th. This is a SPY morning update about an hour and 15 minutes into trading. Just wanted to go over what's unfolded here. You can see here at the open, price in the pre-market range was skewing to the top of the range. We still had a bias to the downside given the pre-market video I shot. So the first bar went up green a little bit. We went up green, for 3 bars. And then here was this green to red move here with the 2 up, 2 down bar. You would have gotten short here as we kind of penetrated the low of that red bar near the high of the pre-market range. You take out the intraday lows, which is happening now. That sets up a kind of a no-risk trade, the way I see it. And now, the odds are pretty high probability you're going to at least take out these pre-market lows. And at that point, you want to see what kind of directional day unfolds. So on the daily chart, again, we're looking for follow-through lower. Given this bar yesterday, we had the up opening. We didn't reach the halfway point of that bar. We're looking, we know we're breaking above the pre-market highs, but we're not really above the halfway point of the prior day. And we also have all that context to expect that, we might be going to the bottom of this range. So it's a type of thing where you're just patiently waiting for the green to red move. You got it here, and now we're following through lower. Again, price should take out these pre-market lows. There's a lot of stops there. At that point, it's tricky to say, like we discussed, are we just kind of coming into this gap and going to hold up here? What kind of days, since we started up a little bit, maybe buying will come in as we take out those pre-market lows. We're going to have to watch how price, if we do that, will price pause and then just have an orderly pullback and then have the real push down on the day, or is it going to be just taking out those stops and just going sideways for the rest of the day? Hard to say. But in terms of the trade itself, definitely a 2 up, 2 down entry here as we broke, expecting those first bar lows to be taken out. That's what it's done here. So, to me, if you're in the SPY, you would be scaling out, kind of setting up a no-risk trade just in case it pops all the way back up again. Then you expect that area to be taken as your next target. You can either take profits there or again, just kind of watch it closely. And it's the type of thing where if we come down here and break through there and get kind of just an orderly pullback without really rallying, then you can expect another push lower if you want to do a secondary type of trade to the downside, expecting us to fill in this gap. So we'll see what happens for the rest of the day, but that's kind of a morning update on how things opened on the SPY today on Tuesday, January 10th.